Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the Cook with Color Prep Bowls with Lids, an 8-piece set of wide and deep nesting plastic mixing bowls that are perfect for enhancing your cooking experience with their stylish ombre design and modern flair. These round, blue bowls are not only beautiful but also incredibly functional, making them ideal for kitchen-to-table serving, meal prep, and storage, as they are dishwasher safe, freezer safe, food safe, and BPA free. The set includes a versatile range of sizes: 13 ounces, 24 ounces, 41 ounces, and 73 ounces. So you can find the perfect fit for all your culinary needs, whether you're dealing with leftovers or planning your meals for the week. Designed with convenience in mind, these bowls nest together for easy storage, while the sturdy, clear lids allow for secure stacking in the fridge or freezer, providing easy visibility of your stored food. At Cook with Color, customer satisfaction is our top priority, so if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us to ensure your experience is as colorful and delightful as our products. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting kitchen essentials. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.